Hello everyone, welcome back to section 5 driver behavior mock test of the SERU exam. Now this is the perfect revision tool to use if you are preparing for the SERU exam. So as always, prepare yourself as if you are doing an exam. This means no distractions, wear headphones and have all electronics put away. But before we start this video, I just want you guys to watch this little quick clip. Before we start this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to the SERU revision handbook I have created. This book is perfect for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. It has multiple choice questions from section 1 to 10, making sure you are prepared for every section. You can view this in your phone, tablet, computer or any electronic device. You will be able to go through it in your own time. The questions in this handbook will not be on my video, so you'll be getting your money's worth. It's only £19.99 right now, so not too expensive, especially when you consider it has over 80 practice questions covering section 1 to 10. So make sure you scan the QR code right now on the screen or use the link in the description. I will also have a QR code on the screen in the corner somewhere for you to check out. If there are any issues with the link, I will update everyone through the comments on my videos, so make sure you guys go pick it up. That's right guys, I have mentioned it previously in my previous video. I have a SERU course revision guide for only £19.99. It's the perfect revision tool if you are preparing for the SERU test. It covers section 1 all the way up to 10 with practice questions for each section. So if you are interested in make sure you check the link in the description or scan the QR code somewhere on the screen throughout these slides to take you right to the website so you can purchase it. But let's get straight into the questions. We start with question 1. Which of the following statement accurately reflects the requirements for operators? Operators are not required to maintain records of complaints. Operators must keep details of all complaints made to them. Operators must keep details of all complaints made to them. Or D, operators are only required to keep details of some complaints. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C. Operators must keep details of all complaints made to them. You must keep an eye for, maybe some of you guys may pick B, but the word is complement, so remember that. Always keep an eye out for that. Question 2. Which of the following statements accurately describes the process of complaint investigation by TFL? A. TFL will ask you for your comments and inform you of the investigation result. B. TFL will not share any details of the complaint with you. C. TFL will provide you with the complaint details but won't ask for your comments. Or D. TFL will only inform you of the investigation result without requesting your comments. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A. TFL will ask for your comments and inform you of the investigation result. Question 3. Which of the circumstances may lead to TFL considering suspending or revoking your license? A. TFL responds to any complaint regardless of severity or frequency. TFL may suspend or revoke your license if there is a pattern of poor behavior despite efforts to improve. C. TFL will always suspend or revoke your license for any complaint. Or D. TFL will only consider suspension or revocation if a single complaint is made. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B. TFL may suspend or revoke your license if there is a pattern of poor behavior despite efforts to improve. Question 4. Which of the following statements best reflects the responsibility and conduct expected from a PHV driver? Is it A. As a PHV driver, you are not responsible for ensuring passenger safety and comfort. PHV drivers should prioritize their convenience over passengers' feelings during a journey. Or is it C. PHV drivers are only responsible for the vehicle's mechanical conditions, not passenger experience. Or D. PHV drivers should maintain professionalism and make passengers feel safe and at ease. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is D. PHV drivers should maintain professionalism and make passengers feel safe and at ease. Question 5. What is considered appropriate use of passengers' personal contact detail as a PHV drivers? A. Using their contact details for personal or social communication. B. Contacting them only for the book journey. C. Sharing their personal information with other passengers. D. Selling their contact details to third parties for marketing purposes. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B. Contacting them for only the book journey. Question 6. What should you avoid when interacting with others, particularly in terms of sensitive topics? Is it A. Making comments or jokes about age, race, religion, disability, or gender identity? B. Sharing personal anecdotes about yourself. C. Engaging in discussions about current events. Or D. Offering compliments about someone's appearances. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A. Making comments or jokes about age, race, religion, disability, sexual orientation, or gender identity. Question 7. Under what circumstances is it generally inappropriate for a driver to access the backseat of their vehicle when passengers are on board? Is it A. It is always acceptable to access the backseat regardless of passengers. B. It's acceptable in emergency situations only. C. It's acceptable to do so if the passenger requests. D. It's acceptable when the driver needs a break during a long journey. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B. It's acceptable in emergency situations only. Question 8. What should you do if your passenger is seriously ill? A. Physically check the passenger and administer first aid immediately. Offer the passenger water and wait for the condition to improve. C. Wait for the passenger to recover on their own. D. Call emergency services on 999 without hesitation. Pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is D. Call emergency services on 999 without hesitation. So that's the end of the question, guys. Remember, I do have my course. If you are interested in it, do check the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Good luck on your SERU test if you are sitting. I hope you guys all pass. Thank you.